think so.
Kaylee, what are we doing?
We are sitting in a car.
What are we going to do?
Snowboarding. Woo!
Kaylee wants to smack this.
What's right there? Just door.
She's in the way of our door. We can't get out, so
Come
we're
on.
sitting in the car.
You know what's better?
What?
Cars aren't soundproof.
Okay, so anyways, there's my really cool looking brother in Gweed sunglasses. Matt, those are yours. And those are all our snowboards. And we're waiting to get out of the car. Mountain Creek is packed.
Yeah.
So we're in trouble.
The 800th parking lot.
Yeah, we're not even the first parking lot.
Look at Megan's ghetto hat from 5. Oh.
It's awesome.
Megan, okay. Let's look at Megan and how ridiculous she looks.
Wait.
Ridiculous. Like this is pretty ridiculous.
How much cooler do I look?
No, you still look ridiculous.
I don't care. I think I look cool.
And then here's Mo wearing Gweed sunglasses and he looks no. Yeah. Who's the cooler sibling here?
Me.
Not Megan.
Me.
Not Megan.
Me. Come on, baby.
Hey. Did you stop it? No, it's not going.
The end. Ramp building. Yep. This is our ramp. And then that's the ramp. See? Whoa. Yep. Well, that's the ramp, and this is the jump. Okay, not very big. We're getting there. Let's see how epically this is gonna fail. I'm ready for it. The ramp is huge. The jump is huge.
But it's not fast.
I know, they don't reach your toes.
Whatever.
Alright.
Well, you didn't crash and die. And you packed it out. Good job, yay!
There you go. It's really hard to push. Alright, so this is test trial number 2. Megan up there. Oh, I almost fell backwards into the snow. Craig looking like a Russian.
I almost fell in the tree. No one saw that.
Actually, I think I caught it.
Ready for this?
Yeah, ready to go. Megan's first test trial of the day. She hits the ramp and falls.
Look at the hole I put.
I told you the ramp needed work. So yeah.
Simply jump. You have enough momentum.
Not awesome. The ramp, yeah, the ramp is good. The jump needs
Not
help.
so much.
Not so much.
There's definitely enough momentum. Like I felt like you did.
Yeah,
Just falling.
I could have if like the momentum was good. I could have gotten off there, but I got stuck instead. Okay, I can stuck.
Craig, what are you trying to do here today?
Ride a snowboard for the first time. I'll probably fail.
All right, this will be successful.
I thought you said, Megan, I was really thought you said you had glue on it. I was like, you had glue on it?
After Megan's epic fall that we missed because nobody was filming it, she was supporting the camera.
Let's go. Oh, hurry up, the battery's dying.
Okay.
Fuck.
Oh, yeah, you made it over.
It was
Way
like
to
a lump.
jump. I could have, you know what? I could have jumped it.
Yeah.
Every time.
All right. Now. All right. Try 3. Try 2 was not videotaped. Luckily for Kaylee, it was a disaster. So, all
I'm gonna jump this one this time.
right, I'm ready.
Megan, it was better than you. You were actually distracted.
Be quiet.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's also missing on tape.
Yeah.
When did you get this? This Christmas?
Christmas, yeah. Okay, this is Megan redeeming herself because even Craig snowboards better than her as of right now.
I did!
Craig snowboarded and we're gonna get it on film after this.
I'll do it again. Fine.
Yeah. Redemption. All right, redemption. Megan's back in the club. Now time for Craig, because Craig actually snowboarded, guys, like legit.
It happened in
It
real life.
happened. It was cool.
It was exciting.
It was cool.
Wait. Okay, go ahead.
Hi, Mom!
Craig, you can snowboard. Very good.
Yay! You didn't fall that time.
I
How do you feel now?
Awesome!
How do you feel now?
Still awesome.
Okay, game
A little
over.
violated, but awesome.
For my foot not to be closing in is there's a problem.
Alright, make it epic. I got a close shot this time. Oh, you look like you're coming from like heaven. There's sun's right behind you. The sun. The car. Yep. Yeah! You got air! Wait. How do you feel?
Awesome! I know. I need a body.
Megan, strap it in.
Get up.
Craig, come and help her. Look, it's a tree.
No, I was actually smiling.
Tree. Car.
Sweet. Cooler than Megan. Yes, and you know it. Don't even lie. I'm like afraid to like take my foot off. Hold on.
I'm surprised your brother's car even like moves anymore.
I know, dude. She hit 55, and I'm like, oh my god, we're gonna die. The whole car was like shaking.
Craig, you
And
see my pieces stuck underneath? Under my foot.
Oh, I got tough.
It's falling out.
she already broke it.
I broke it. Unsnapped. When I pull.
Because Megan's a beast and pulls too hard.
So, yeah, you're not supposed to pull this too hard.
Shut up. I know you're judging me over there. That's right.
Listen, I'm a little crazy Russian like a buffalo cat. I'm not one to judge.
Who do I look like? Do I look legit? Megan! Alright, the battery's dying, so go. Ready? Last one of the day.
That was fair!
How do you feel? Awesome! Woo! Yeah!
Yeah, so you didn't put your hands up.
That's awesome!
Okay.
That's awesome! And that's what happens when you push Megan over in the snow.
My hat came off.
Aww. First time today, though.
No.
Okay, battery dying. Time for.
Don't you forget about me. I'll be alone, dancing.